Hi, I'm fever. I raise your temperature. I make you weak so your body can fight.
Hi, I'm the flu. I hit your whole body. I bring fever, aches, and extreme tiredness.
Hi, I'm cough. I tickle your throat. I keep coming back until the irritation settles. Hi, I'm a cold. I block your nose. I make you tired and slow you down. Hi, I'm a runny nose. I keep dripping. I make breathing messy and uncomfortable. Hi, I'm migraine. I overload your brain. Light and sound start to hurt. Hi, I'm a headache. I add pressure in your head. I make it hard to think and focus. Hi, I'm an allergy. I overreact to harmless things. I cause sneezing, itching, and blockage. Hi, I'm sinusitis. I build pressure in your head. I cause pain, blockage, and heaviness. Hi, I'm asthma. I tighten your airways. I make breathing hard, especially during attacks. Hi, I'm congestion. I block your airflow. I make breathing hard and uncomfortable. Hi, I'm a sore throat. I make swallowing painful. I leave your throat dry and irritated.
Hi, I'm diarrhea. I move things too fast. I cause weakness and dehydration.
Hi, I'm pneumonia. I fill lungs with fluid. I make breathing heavy and tiring. Hi, I'm bronchitis. I inflame your airways. I bring mucus and make coughing worse. Hi, I'm bronchitis. I inflame your airways. I bring mucus and make coughing worse. Hi, I'm an allergy. I overreact to harmless things. I cause sneezing, itching, and blockage. Hi, I'm sinusitis. I build pressure in your head. I cause pain, blockage, and heaviness. Hi, I'm asthma. I tighten your airways. I make breathing hard, especially during attacks. Hi, I'm congestion. I block your airflow. I make breathing hard and uncomfortable. Hi, I'm malaria. I attack blood cells. I cause chills, fever, and weakness. Hi, I'm vomiting. I push food back up. I happen when the stomach needs relief fast. Hi, I'm stomachache. I cause pain inside. I make eating and resting uncomfortable. Hi, I'm constipation. I slow everything down. I cause discomfort, pressure, and bloating.
Hi, I'm indigestion. I slow food movement. I cause fullness, gas, and discomfort.
Hi, I'm nausea. I make your stomach uneasy. I bring dizziness and the urge to vomit. Hi, I'm acidity. I increase stomach acid. I cause burning and discomfort after eating.
Hi, we're food poisoning. We enter through bad food. We cause pain, vomiting, and weakness.
Hi, I'm diabetes. I raise blood sugar levels. I affect energy, nerves, and blood flow. Hi, I'm high blood pressure. I push blood too hard. I strain the heart and blood vessels. Hi, I'm dehydration. I remove water from cells. I cause weakness, dryness, and fatigue.
Hi, I'm muscle pain. I tighten your muscles. I make movements slow and uncomfortable.
Hi, I'm body ache. I make everything hurt. I leave your body heavy and tired.
Hi, I'm joint pain. I reduce flexibility. I make movement stiff and painful.
Hi, I'm dengue. I weaken your body. I cause fever, pain, and exhaustion. Hi, I'm mumps. I swell your face glands. I cause pain, fever, and discomfort. Hi, I'm typhoid. I enter through bad food or water. I cause fever, weakness, and stomach trouble. Hi, I'm acne. I clog your pores. I cause pimples, redness, and swelling. Hi, I'm eczema. I dry out your skin. I cause itching, redness, and irritation. Hi, I'm itching. I keep tickling your skin. I make you scratch again and again. Hi, I'm a skin rash. I inflame your skin. I cause redness, itching, and irritation. Hi, I'm conjunctivitis. I make eyes red. I cause itching, stickiness, and irritation. Hi, I'm an eye infection. I irritate your eyes. I cause redness, watering, and discomfort. Hi, I'm back pain. I press on your spine. I make sitting and moving uncomfortable. Hi, I'm an ear infection. I build pressure inside. I cause pain and muffled hearing.
Hi, I'm toothache. I strike suddenly. I make eating and chewing painful.
Hi, I'm a boil. I swell under the skin. I cause pain, redness, and pressure. Hi, I'm measles. I spread a body rash. I bring fever, weakness, and discomfort.
Hi, I'm chickenpox. I spread itchy spots. I cause fever, rash, and discomfort.